have a problem against pink wall.
Hey.
Pink wall, pink wall.
Hey.
Look at my shirt. You know see a pink wall. Pink wall. Only team a clown out pink wall. The pussy wall them say we broke like war. But looking at our pocket, we have all heap of money to spend. Let them know, sir. Yeah, them a say. The money team blood clot broke. But let them know, sir. Pocket have a full of money. Pocket full of money. You want me sure it's not no funny? Some pink wall, you know, sir. We never broke yet. And rule we and blood clot rule when we go over the fence. So some pussy, you know, sir. And a shortcut. A money we have. And the war spend it. Some money we have bought in our pocket. Because champagne we buy when we go in a blood clot lava party. Some people know that. And look here. Every time we go out, money has swell up a blood clot pocket. Look there. Look there. Look there. Look for blood clot money. Or the pop donor. Big one. Look for that. Never blood clot broke here. One donor. Eh? And when we have blood clot for you, check it, Dora. And Louis to the feed. Pink wall. Louis to the fucking feed. Every day, never fear. Google blood clot money train on Louis and you see that. Money to the team. Someone has to be like, oh, never. What you prefer? What you prefer, do? Rock the baby and the big up anyway. Sure. You like Kenny, big up. What are you showing your roll out right now? There is shit, oh yeah. No, sir, man, go ganja pull up. Me no smell like ginger. I said shots of tequila. Big respect to all who miss somebody. Mariam to somebody, big up yourself. Big up. All who know so you miss somebody right now. If you never like to show up your gun and die here and represent for that friend, you represent for that person there right now. Represent that person there.
Remember when we run the last joke and have the last laugh. Even before we grow up, you know me.
Represent that person there.
We have smoke and we have glass off. Never know said a 45 you would have
tell it.
Dog, me have to kick the clocks off. Here's some man a talk tough and some a talk soft. Say it happen late night.
On the team, that's R.I.P. So let me tell you this. Some people when some other friend dead and gone, remember them. Us funeral done, don't forget about them. All I would know say you see your friend, never your mistake. Represent for your friend. And that's you so much. All out there. You know, say, me never know say I saw America run. I never know I saw America run, you know. Not even America, the whole world, you know. You know what one right here, somebody? What do you girl DM me on my Instagram? I said, Christian, man, I know I like you. I said, alright, baby, join the line, I hold it. Join the line, take a ticket, hold your space. She said, no, you know what? She now go join the line because she must get me.